guys will remember this setup from the video I did about the Shapeways store and the parts that I got printed. This will give you an idea about what I was thinking when I did those parts. This is just a quick chassis mock-up that I'm doing. Something I've had in my mind for quite a long time. So yesterday I just made these little aluminium blocks as packers there, and I flipped the shock absorber mounts upside down and pointed them down and attached the leaf spring with it. The chassis is a G-Made GS01 chassis kit that I bought once. This is a 1/14 scale truck axle, 1/10 scale standard axle at the back there, aluminium. So yeah, it's been on the go for a while. Here's the parts I've collected for this model so far over time. It's got a tranny, the motor's over there, transmission, servo, radiator, shocks, front and rear. So yeah, this is another build I want to do. Have wanted to do for a long time, ever since I started watching the Southeast Gases Association, watching their videos. So I won't do much more work on this. I want to do a wee bit more on the suspension, stuff like that, because I'm using M4s on this. But there I'm going to stop it, and because I want to get on to the Project Wolf Spider and finish the 8x8 truck. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you this. I think it's actually going to work. I didn't think it would, but it might do. So this is where I'm up to with the gasser. I've built some ladder bars here, bits of rod and nail and other bits and pieces. Just wanted to show you that in the raw metal state, and the bracket, because I'm just about to pull this down and spray paint these parts. The drive shaft is Mega Truck drive shafts from RC Full Drive. These are old ones. I put this together out of about 4 broken ones from Fat Betty, because she blew out a few of these. Yep, motor's mocked up and the shocks are in front and rear. I'm going to go and paint that, and we'll put the wheels back on and we'll have a look.